What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. I've been seeing the requests on YouTube in the comments. I've been seeing it on Instagram as well. I'm not sure if there's any on TikTok, but guys, we try to honor the requests as best as we can. So today we are out here in the busy street at Hellshire View. So persons have been asking for an update on this development. Guys, there is no new information out there about Hellshire View, but what I can do for you, or what I always do for you, is to give you guys a nice drone shot to let you know what is happening outside in the streets on these properties, so you can know whether or not the house that you purchase is being built. You understand? And for persons who are looking to also invest in these properties and to grab a home, you can monitor the progress of the developments from these videos. Alright, so like I said, there's no new information to give you guys today. However, we definitely have a drone shot. We can see a lot from the ground. The last time we were here, we had probably about 2 levels of housing going up to the 3rd. Now there's pretty much more units than we saw the last couple of times that we came here. So work is definitely going on. So guys, I'm going to jump into this drone shot right now so that you guys can see exactly what I'm making reference to. But remember to like this video, remember to share, remember to subscribe. If you're new and you're just coming on, remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification to all. Alright? You don't want to miss out on the updates, and you don't want to miss out on these beautiful drone shots. So speaking about drone shots, here we're going to this one right now. See you on the other side, guys. there you go. There we have it. Work is still being going on. Houses are being built. I know a lot of you are complaining about the pace in which the development is going, but we cannot discredit the fact that the units are still being built. All right, they say patience is a virtue, and I mean it can be subjective depending on what you're waiting on. But guys, these units will be beautiful. This development will be beautiful. So if you can just have a little more patience with the developers, you can always reach out to them to ask whatever comments or questions you have. If you have any concerns, you can reach out to the developers. I always try to leave the contact information for them down in the description. So thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for stopping by one more time to making ChriSamz your stop for your property tours and your updates. And it was my pleasure to give you guys this drone shot and this video today. So I'll catch you guys in another video. As of now, peace out from Hellshire View, peace out from ChriSamz. We'll catch you guys in another video.